Hello everyone. I'm Neha. Our main project is Automated Toll Collection System. In this project, we used RFID technology. Our project guide is Mr. S.V. Appaji, Assistant Professor, and our team members are C. Pritika, K. Shravanti, and N. Bhuvana. This project is suggested to give a major priority to time and efficiency where we can overcome the issue of vehicle congestion by using the RFID technology. Here, we will be placing the RFID reader beneath the toll roads and the tag that responds to the reader is attached to the vehicle. The object detecting sensor in the reader detects the approach of the vehicle tag and toll deduction takes place through a prepaid card assigned to the concerned RFID tag. This makes the toll transactions more convenient to the public. Here, the entire system is maintained by the admin where he has to log in with his unique admin ID and password. The following actions can be performed. Initially, a new user has to register his details and he will be getting a unique user ID, that is a database generated. Once the user's registration is completed, he is provided with an account with unique account ID number through which the transactions are being done. Based on his requirement, a prepaid or a postpaid can be chosen and the amount is deposited. As the registration is completed, by using his unique user ID, he can perform various actions like vehicle registration. Here, the user need to enter the unique RFID tag number that is attached to the vehicle and all the vehicle related details to register his vehicle. He can even recharge his account by using his unique account ID. He can even file a complaint if his vehicle is lost. He has to enter his vehicle status and the tag number of the vehicle. If the user has another vehicle, by using his user ID, he can register his vehicle. Whenever a new toll is constructed, it should get registered and the fare for each type of vehicle should be inserted. As the vehicle enters the toll gate, it is deducted and the amount is deducted from its account. If a complaint filed vehicle enters the toll gate, a vehicle lost alert is provided. With this, the vehicle can be recovered easily. If a vehicle is placed in no parking zone, the amount specified gets deducted from his account. This is the RFID reader. These are the tags. On its detection, the amount gets deducted from the tag. Thank you.